This is one of our proud possession in our organic garden. That Ptereocarpus marsupium tree. This one we inherited it when my father bought this property. It was already there. We also saved it, and we have climbed one Cissus quadrangularis onto it, and then one of the Jasminium auriculatum. What is that? Some reptile is there. Anyway, so Cissus quadrangularis, and then one of the Jasminium. Also one ficus has grown by itself. That one. And then Dryneria. This Dryneria around Bangalore region, I had seen in I think about 2 or 3 locations only, growing on some moist rock next to a stream. That video also is there in my playlist of Bangalore, flora of Bangalore region. So this one I introduced to this tree. One plant I had got from somewhere, and then we put it in a suitable location, that is in the hollow between the two, that fork in the tree. And it has survived quite nicely. In the summer it sheds leaf and all, and with the summer showers it revives, and from one clump it has now become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is growing a bit slowly compared to West Coast and all, but nevertheless it is growing. And that location what I am pointing now, that is suitable for Ramusacea vivipara also. But this Drynearia's direction is a bit wrong. It should be, it gets a bit excess sunlight. Then apart from that, one orchid also we have planted on this tree, and that also has done quite well. This one. So Cissus is going up nicely, and this Cissus quadrangularis is capable of going right up to the tallest of trees and then hanging down from there. So very versatile tree, plant, this Cissus quadrangularis, if one knows how to use it. And this side is one of the internal green hedge of inside the garden. So you can't see what's there on the other side.